On April 22, 2025, a raging wildfire tore through New Jersey's Pine Barrens, engulfing over 15,000 acres and threatening thousands of homes. Known as the Jones Road Wildfire, it's one of the largest blazes in the state's history, fueled by dry conditions and fierce winds. It began just before 12:30 p.m. on a quiet Tuesday in Ocean County's Greenwood Forest Wildlife Management Area. Authorities allege a 19-year-old man ignited wooden pallets and failed to extinguish them, sparking a blaze that would grow to historic proportions. Within hours, the fire consumed thousands of acres, its smoke visible from space, casting a haze over New York City and beyond.
Yeah, this is fucked up. We're gonna lose this. We're gonna lose this.
Oh, this building's on fire. Holy shit. Dude, it's right here, bro. Holy shit. I feel the heat on my face, bro. Holy shit. How you? That's fucking nuts. Get out of here. Hurry up, go. Holy shit! Holy shit! You serious, man? Holy shit! We just drove out of it, bro! Not really!
Thanks to the incredible, heroic work of the good men and women of our New Jersey Forest Fire Service, folks' homes and lives have been saved, and this could very well end up being the largest wildfire in New Jersey in 20 years.
3,000 people forced to flee.
The authorities were knocking on everyone's door, letting us know to evacuate.
Yanira Luna, one of many making use of emergency shelters.
A New Jersey Forest Fire Service sprang into action, deploying fire engines, bulldozers, and ground crews, backed by local and state agencies. Helicopters and planes dropped water from above, battling a fire fueled by low humidity and gusting winds. On April 22nd, the fire was just 5% contained, spanning 3,200 acres. By April 23rd, containment reached 35%, even as the blaze grew to 12,000 acres. By April 24th, firefighters had clawed their way to 50% containment, but the fire still raged across 15,000 acres. Over 5,000 residents in Barnegat, Ocean, and Lacey townships fled their homes as flames raced closer. A commercial building and several vehicles were reduced to ash, while a house fire in Lacey Township added to the destruction. nearly 28,000 households lost power, plunging communities into darkness.
Oh, bro. It's going down by Tractor Supply, boys. Holy. Ow.
Here you can see helicopter footage of a forest fire in New Jersey in the evening.
You got an Indian tank or something? That fire department's got a hose there. You want close for me? I'm all the way to the end of the docks. Docks is on fire, so it's got to be dealt with. Need one. $1610 or $6100, Kelly.
See New Jersey. Look at that. It's crazy. The fires from Canada, Canadian wildfires.
This blaze wasn't just a local tragedy. It sent smoke billowing across state lines, clouding New York City skies and reminding us how connected our environment is. As climate patterns shift, wildfires like this may become more frequent, challenging communities to adapt. The Jones Road Fire is a stark reminder of nature's power and our need to respect it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video on the Jones Road Wildfire informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more updates on critical events like this. Your support helps us keep bringing you the stories that matter. Stay engaged, and let's build a community that stays informed together.